Singna Fajinduna Thamlakpa Kuki Meecham Taramari Numit Kuntare ni Surakpada Tekta Kaidana THADORAKHRE Mamang Thagi Tarahumdogi Ayukta Kangpokpi District Courtland Amasung Kojimani Marakta Laiba Inter-Village Road Ki Mafam Amada Kuki Terrorist Group Amana Ambush Tawduna Thadau Church Leader Yauna Meecham Hatkiba Amasung Atopa Maribuna Sokhankiba Thodopu Yaningdaba Fongdoktuna Numit Adumaktada Naga Village God Singna Fajinduna Makogi Custody Thamlakpa Kuki Meecham Taramari Numit Kuntare Digi Surakpada Tekta Kaidana THADORAKHRE Naga Village God Singi Custody Layuraba Matungda THADORAKHRaba Kuki Meecham Taramari Gi Manungda Ama Oiriba Pautingkai Chongloina Paumising the High Ekoibu Fajinduna Thamlabasu Ningthijona Amasung Luna Taubi Ekoibu Thamliba Mafam Aduda Fangba Ahauba Chak Enzang PJ Ekoina Sizinaba Firol Blanket Amasung Atai Maru Iba Potlam Sing Supi Ekoibu Nongmada Chak Anirak PJ Masigi Matakta Chapithai Amasung Fajinduna Thamlingai Manungda Ekoi Ishada Awaba Mayuk Nahan Birekide Ekoina Ekoigi Naga Ichin Inau Singi Top Topa Sing Kangle Haina Fongdoki Wafamasi Fongdokladuna Ekoibu Fajinduna Thamlingai Utpirakiba Minungshi Asina Hojik State Asida Unkhatnaba Laiba Sing Asida Furup Pumda Makna Khudam Ama Oihanbiyu Hainasu Mahaki Kuki Furupta Onsinduna Appeal Tauki Ekoibu Miyoibagi Minungshiga Loinana Condition Amata Yaudana Thadokpirakibani Haiki Naga Village God Singi Custody Dagi Makhoi Taramari Thadoknaba Hotnabada Naga Furuki Apex Body Oriba United Naga Council, Naga People's Organization, All Naga Students Association Manipur, Amadi, Senapati District Women's Association Gi Mihut Singna Achoba Thodang Lauki. Makhoigi Hotna Zamana Kuki Meecham Taramaribu Nungtil Pung Ahunga Minute Kuntrarom Tarakpada Tekta Kaidana THADORAKHRE Makhoibu NPO Gi President Amasung Senapati Gi Sub-Divisional Police Officer Amasung Executive Magistrate Ne Luchingba Timna Tafau Kuki Gi Chief Lenkomang Chongloigi Makuta Tekta Kaidana Kushinaki Kushinabada Senapati District Women Association Gi President RN Hanna Senapati District Students Association Gi Tong Yauki Aduga Makuibu Tafau Kuki Gi Chief Na Lausimbada Kuki NP Sadar Hills Gi President Thangmilan Kipgen Amadi Tafau Kuki Youth Club Gi Legal In Charge Su Sarugyaki Amaromda Courtland Amasung Kojim Khul Anigi Marakta Thokiba Ambush Ki Numit Adugi Numit Junglakpada Lailon Wi-Fi Khul Gi Nupi Singna Hana Faraba Matungda Kuki Terrorist Khutpu Amada Khosinaduna Mamit Amasung Makhut Punshilaga Pukhibadagi Ngasi Fawba THADORAKHRIBA Amasung Chap Chaba Langla Langjil Fangba Ngamdriba Pastor Ani Yauna Naga Meecham Taruki Matangdagi Chap Chaba Pau Fangba Ngamkhide Makhoi Tarupu Tekta Kaidana Thadokhanbinaba High Court of Manipur IPL Amasung File Taukrabani PIL Asiga Mari Lainana Manipur Lengaki Home Department Ki Maikedi Courta Thasigi Tarukta Submit Taukiba Action Taken Report Amadadi Thaudok Asigi Case NIA da Sinanaba Lengaki Maikedi Haizerubada Ayaba Piratuna Ministry of Home Affairs na Thaudok Asigi Case NIA na Paiduna Investigation Chathanaba Direction Pikre Haina Fongdorakpa Laikrabani Panbe Yabadi Nungtil THADORAKHRBA Tafau Kuki Khulgi Khunja Taramari Asi Thasi Ama Ginungtil Pung Ani Tarakpada Senapati District Ki Karong Public Ground da Thadoklagani Haina UNC Gi Maikedi Fongdokpa Laikibani Adubu Thorang Asida Naga Furuki Miyoi Kharana Yaningdaba Fongdoknarakpadagi Numit Aduda THADORAKHIDabani Loinana Naga Furupna Fajinduna Thamkiba Nupi Angang Yauna Kuki Meecham Taramaridi Mangjongnana THADORAKHRBani
Nagas are culture people. We uphold war ethics and also we respect international law of human rights. We are also considering the commitment of the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji through Honorable CM of Nagaland Dr. Nipurio, giving the assurance that the governments will put all out effort to trace out and establish the status of the mission hostages of our 6 Nagas, and also taking into considerations all the appeals from the world community, World Baptist Alliance, Asian Baptist Christian Fellowships, Council of Naga Baptist Churches in Northeast India, NBC, join Nagaland Christian Forums, tribal hosts from Nagaland and across Nagaland, organizations, and many others, including the appeals of our Honorable CM of Meghalaya, Comrade K. Sharma. Further, the commitments and assurance given by the state's government of Manipur that they will put all effort and trace out the status of and establish the status of the nation hostages and produce within certain time-bound manner. With this, today the United Naga Council, in consultations with all the stakeholders, facilitated the safe release